3 powerful web tools for image editing. 0 downloads, 0 subscriptions. Let's go. First up, Squoosh by Google. Drop your image in at Squoosh.app. It shrinks the file size dramatically while keeping the quality sharp. Best part, everything runs locally in your browser. Your image never leaves your device. Privacy guaranteed. Next, Adobe Express Background Remover. Yes, that Adobe, and yes, it's free. Upload your photo, and it cuts out the background with Photoshop-level precision. Clean edges, even around hair. No account needed to get started. And my favorite, CleanUp.pictures. Got a stranger in your shot? A watermark? An ugly wire? Just paint over it. And the AI fills it in like it was never there. It feels like actual magic. 3 tools. $0. Squoosh for compression. Adobe Express for background removal. And CleanUp.pictures for erasing anything that shouldn't be there. Bookmark all 3. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.